Today we're going to be showing you how to fix a vacuum cleaner. What you're going to need is a hammer, a squad, and an edge. So first what you're going to want to do is take the hammer and hit the vacuum cleaner around the metal part as much as you can. Just get as many dents as you can into it. Alright, after you're done with that, what you're going to want to do is take your squad and start kicking it and beating it up.
That's enough!
Alright, so now that we're done beating it up with the squad, what you're going to want to do is take it and throw it off the edge. So after you're done doing all that, what you want to do is throw it in the trash. Buy a new one.